My name is Adam Kotkin. I'm CEO of APGS Corp. We are a public company. We trade on the over-the-counter bulletin board under the stock symbol APGS. Social gaming is the new wave of gaming where individuals play games with their friends, and social gaming spreads because in order to maximize the potential fun and excitement in the game itself, you invite your friends to play the game with you. And it becomes not necessarily a competition, but you're working in tangent with your friends to make the game that much more exciting. AppsGenius developed all of our games to be cross-platform, to be utilized on multiple social networks. Most of us have Facebook accounts right now. Some of us have been moving to Google+, and there's other social networks out there as well. And we've built our game so you can not only just play it on Facebook, but you can play with some of your friends who may have a Google+ account. Our first releases for AppsGenius were on Facebook, and we quickly saw that the smartphone market was growing greatly. Most of us carry an iPhone or an Android device today, or a BlackBerry, and we developed our first games initially for the Apple Store and decided that the Google Android market was growing greatly, so we also now joined the Android marketplace and are going to release some applications and games on the Android marketplace. Our goals are to provide a fun, exciting experience for our users and maximize the amount of time they spend playing the game. To do that, we have to constantly update our games and add new and exciting features and innovative things. One of the innovations that we did with a game we have, My Mad Millions, is to incentivize users to play My Mad Millions, where we actually shared a portion of our revenue with those users. Our goal is always to create an exciting game that I want to play, that our developers want to play, and I think a key part of our organization is that our developers actually play our games and build it from the mindset of actually wanting to play the game, not just building it because they have to, and that their input is greatly valued in our company. I was introduced to the CEO of Wizard World, Inc., which hosts all the Comic-Con conventions throughout the country. They have close to 20 conventions throughout. Comic-Con has a large following of people who are into the comics and that industry, but also a lot of them are gamers. So we came up with a partnership deal between the two companies where we could distribute our games through their database of users and at their conventions to people who have an interest in also spreading the word of these games and helping share them socially. Concurrently with our signing of a distribution agreement with Comic-Con, we launched our celebrity entertainment division. Currently, I haven't really found any, and I don't believe any companies are doing any applications solely for celebrities, designed for the celebrities rather than just slap a celebrity's name on it. So we currently are seeking celebrities to design games for and applications in their likeness and games that they want to play and their followers want to play. Celebrities have millions and millions of followers, and they're looking for a way to monetize their following. And the celebrity apps division that AppsGenius created really gives them the opportunity to monetize the users out there, the followers out there that they already have. Immediately after launching our celebrity division, we just recently engaged our first celebrity. I'm really excited to announce that Nicole Pelosi's Snooki is, we're developing up to 8 games and applications for her. The first one's set to be released in early October. I'm really excited about this for multiple reasons. One, Snooki, great character. We all love her. Watching the Jersey Shore, and she has lots of great products out there. But she didn't really have a way to monetize her name through all her tweets and all her followings. And I think a game that her followers enjoy, her fans will enjoy, is really the best way for her to monetize her name and popularity. She must have agreed with us and that's why she signed on for us to build up to 8 games and applications for her. Myself, CEO. We have Adam Wasserman, who's a CFO, who has vast experience in public companies as CFO. David Briones at business development. And the real core team, the real people behind the company, are not myself and the other officers, but I really think they're the programming team. We have a group of developers who really get down and dirty with the games, or really develop the games that they know they would want to play, and by association, their friends and everyone would want to play. I think right now we're at the beginning of a huge growth in the social gaming industry. I think the incorporation of social games into both smartphones, the iPhone, the Android devices, and with social networks such as Facebook and Google+, and the amount of time that we're all spending, socializing through these applications and websites, that now's really the time to get in there. And games are a fun, exciting way to do it, and they're much more fun when you're able to play them with friends and see how friends are doing and have competitions and work in tandem with them. And it's really now a good time. Being one of the first social gaming companies that's public really gives people the opportunity to get in at the beginning and really, grow with the company.